Hi everybody, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please stay to the end of the video as Shiloh has a wonderful surprise from a stranger that she never expected. So my son bought me this art easel from Michael's craft store last Mother's Day. And there really wasn't a whole lot of room in my living room for it, so what I did was I took the legs off and I mounted it to the wall. As you can see, I am slowly still working on my Wizard of Oz painting. So with the legs of the art easel, I decided to create my own separate easel to hold my cell phone. At the top, these screws can be loosened so that I can move the legs accordingly. And then what I did at the bottom was I took a rubber band and popsicle sticks and tape and mounted them between the legs to hold it all together like a tripod. And with the bendable table tripod, I was able to mount it to the larger tripod at the top. The legs wrap around and connect on both sides. Works perfectly. I absolutely love this idea that I came up with. And as you can see, you can unmount it from the larger tripod and place it back as a table tripod. The larger tripod I made where you can loosen the screws at the very top, and then it still collapses to where you could hide it underneath the etagere, any cabinet, or under the bed. Yesterday, my stepdaughter had all of these notes around the house, and they were such a wonderful surprise from what I've been going through here on YouTube. Thank you so much, Shiloh. I love you too, sweetheart. Outside of the grocery store with her dad, an older gentleman asked when her birthday was, and she said it was in June, but he decided to go ahead and give her $50 today. And with a big grin on her face, she gave him a warm thank you. Now that is just wonderful gratitude. Her father also bought her these cute little adorable Easter gifts in advance. Most of you know that my childhood friend Christy passed away last year. I grew up with her for 32 years, and this was her famous quote: "Smile, and they'll wonder what you're thinking." I need to remember this every day. Peace out, everyone.